This is a super cool wedding reception idea. I have never seen this before and I am obsessed. This comes as a set and I was sent it to review from Ace Orbit, so let me show you a closer look at exactly what it is. You're gonna love this. This is a card stand, so you're gonna kind of bend it back and it's going to stand on a table, perhaps at the entrance to your wedding reception. So when people are entering, they can do this, or it could be like at the pastry table or something like that during the reception. It says, pick a card, any card. Please write a message and sign your name so we'll remember this day when we play. Mr. and Mrs. The card set comes sealed, so you're just gonna go ahead and open that because you wanna have it ready when you set up for the wedding. You could also do this at a bridal shower, anything related to the wedding. So here are the cards. You've got the gorgeous back on all of them, Mr. and Mrs., black and white. And then on the flip side, you guys, they all have spaces to write a message. They are standard cards as far as the numbers and all of that. But instead of the big design here, you've got lines and then a spot to sign it. This is so fun. And then not just that, but it comes with this great box to put them in. Unlock it, open it up. This is a really lightweight wood. You're just gonna split the deck in half. Put half in here, half in here. You can have this out with a pen or a few pens so people can sign them. And then when everybody's signed it, you give this to the couple and they have cards that are signed by all their friends and family. And it's just such a great memory from their wedding that they can just keep forever. This is so fun. And then this, you could also paint it, decorate it, you know, whatever. Perhaps you could glue some dried flowers from the bride's bouquet. You could use ribbon from the bouquet to decorate it. I mean, sky's the limit. I just love this set. If you know a couple getting married or renewing their vows, honestly, it would work for that as well. This is an amazing gift. Get it, get it, get it.